In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a budget into Xero. Let's dive right in so you can get your budget set up quickly and efficiently without any hassle. To begin, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside, you'll want to head over to the accounting section. You'll notice that when you click on it, a variety of options become available. From these, select Reports. Now, this section is pretty useful because it allows you to manage and generate various reports for your business. This is exactly where we'll find the tool we need, the Budget Manager. Scroll through until you spot the Financial Performance category, and that's where you'll find and click on Budget Manager. It might seem a bit tucked away at first, but once you know its location, accessing it becomes second nature. Now that you're in the Budget Manager, you have a couple of choices. You can either add a completely new budget or import an existing one. If you need to start fresh, go ahead and click on the plus sign labeled Add New Budget. It's important at this point to give your new budget a name that you'll easily recognize later on. Ideally, it should include the financial period it covers, so you can quickly identify it down the road. Don't forget to save your new setup before moving on to the next part. Now let's get into the import process. You'll notice there's an import button in this area. Clicking it will present you with the option to download a template provided by Xero itself. It's highly recommended to use this template because it ensures your data aligns perfectly with Xero's system requirements. Once you have it, fill the template with your own budget data carefully. Take a moment to double-check for any errors or formatting issues because these can cause hiccups when you upload the data. If you've already prepared your budget data and have it saved on your local device, simply select the Browse option. This will allow you to choose your specific budget file from your device. It's essential that the data you're about to import corresponds accurately to the period and format that Xero requires. After you've selected your file, go ahead and click on the Import button. This step will upload your data directly into the Budget Manager. Xero is pretty smart, so if there are any discrepancies or errors during the upload, the system will notify you and provide detailed instructions on what you need to fix. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to import a budget into Xero. With these steps, managing your financial data should be a breeze, allowing you to focus more on what you excel at, running your business. Thanks for tuning in today. I truly hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.